Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's start our session. I will share first our asset. Yeah, that's our asset. Well, then body car, smoke. Yeah, we have back of city, but I'll check the back first. Yeah, okay, I have 4 image that will be continuous 1 2 3 and 4, but remember image number 1 must same with image number 4. Yeah, if the image is looping, it's continuous 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and next step. Yeah, but now I will check it first. Yeah, the width of all image is 2400 pixel and height 400 pixel. Okay, now I will try to export to PSD format. Yeah, okay, PSD format. Okay, back to P. Okay, selection only, export. Okay, sorry to run background because the image is full of object. Yeah, okay, we ready asset for back of city. Okay, now I will share the Flash application. Yeah, okay, open. Okay, that's it. We know width of back of city is 2400 pixel, but now on stage we have size 550 pixel divide 400 pixel. We can change this first. Yeah, we can click, and dimension we can set 600. Yeah, per each back of city. Yeah, because this dimension for back city we have width is 2400 pixel. Okay, okay, yeah, that's the width of stage. Yeah, 6000 and 4000. We can check from here, view ruler. Okay, 0 and 600 and height 400 pixel. Okay, let's try. We can create look like example before. Yeah, we can convert this object function 8 movie clip city. Okay, that's it. Okay, we can into the moving city. We can delete, yeah. Choose frame number 1 and then import to states, backup city. Okay, now we can check. Okay, width is 200. Okay, I'm sorry, 2400 pixel, and height 400. Yeah, it's okay. We can adjustment this next. Yeah, okay, we can place. Be careful. Okay, 0, maybe 0, 0. Oh, I think for the first object we can create, yeah. But now, okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I want to in 100 frames. Yeah, 100 frame. I want to insert the frame, and then remember you have value of x and value of y. Yeah, okay, that we can move it. Okay, that's it. Yeah, the point same, and we can give, yeah, give twin, yeah, motion twin here, and then okay, we look the animation of back city. Yeah, now we click this skin, that, yeah. Don't be confused because the car, the smoke and wheel back of the city, and now you can choose and then right click and then arrange, send to back. Okay, that's it. But we know, yeah, we know this body of car is not transparent. Next, we can repair this. We can repair this object, yeah, with another time. Okay, this smooth. Okay, now we can see the result like this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the moving car and back city animation. Yeah, wheel, smoke, body of car, and city, back city animation. Okay, that's it. Our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.